ISO/IEC 17029 2019 Accreditation Consultancy. Good day, everyone. In today's rapidly evolving regulatory and compliance driven global environment, organizations involved in validation and verification activities are expected to demonstrate not only technical competence but also impartiality, consistency, and credibility. This is where ISO/IEC 17029 2019 plays a critical role. In this session, we will explore the significance of ISO/IEC 17029 2019, key requirements of the standard, challenges organizations typically face, and how structured consultancy support can streamline your accreditation journey. This presentation is brought to you by URCS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your trusted partner in accreditation, compliance, and quality assurance. Now, understanding ISO/IEC 17029 2019. ISO/IEC 17029 2019 is an international standard that specifies general principles and requirements for bodies performing validation and verification as conformity assessment activities. It is applicable across sectors such as environmental and sustainability reporting, greenhouse gas validation and verification, energy performance validation, ESG and climate related disclosures. The standard focuses on three core pillars. First is impartiality. Organizations must ensure that their validation and verification activities are free from bias, conflict of interest, or undue influence. Second is competence. Personnel involved must demonstrate technical expertise, industry knowledge, and process understanding. Third is consistent operation. Activities must be performed in a structured, repeatable, and auditable manner. Achieving accreditation under this standard signals that the organization operates with internationally credibility and technical rigor. Why accreditation matters? Accreditation is not just a regulatory checkbox, it is a strategic advantage. Key benefits: first, global recognition. Accreditation enhances acceptance of your validation and verification statements across international markets. The second is increased trust. Clients, regulators, and stakeholders gain confidence in your processes and outputs. Third is risk reduction. A structured system minimizes operational, legal, and reputational risks. Fourth is market differentiation. Means accredited bodies stand out in competitive industries, particularly in sustainability and compliance driven sectors. Fifth is regulatory alignment. Supports compliance with national and international frameworks. In essence, ISO/IEC 17029 accreditation transforms your organization into a trusted, credible, and globally recognized entity. Key requirements of ISO/IEC 17029. Let us now examine the core requirements of the standard in a structured manner. First is general requirements, legal identity and organizational structure, commitment to impartiality, management of conflicts of interest. Second is structural requirements, defined roles, responsibilities, and authorities, separation of validation verification from consultancy activities. Third is resource requirements, competent personnel with defined qualification criteria, training and competency evaluation systems, availability of technical resources. Fourth is process requirements. This is the operational backbone of the standard. Contract review, planning of validation verification, risk assessment, evidence gathering, evaluation and decision making, issuance of statements. Then fifth is management system requirements. Organizations must establish a management system that includes document control, record management, internal audits, corrective actions, continuous improvement. Each of these elements must be documented, implemented, and demonstrated during accreditation assessment. Now, what are the common challenges faced by organizations? Despite its structured nature, organizations often face challenges such as lack of clarity in documentation requirements, difficulty in interpreting standard clauses, inadequate competency frameworks, poorly defined validation and verification processes, insufficient internal audit mechanisms, limited experience with accreditation bodies. So, without expert guidance, these challenges can delay accreditation and increase costs. Now, how URGS can support? URGS consultancy approach. At URGS International Certification and Instruction Private Limited, we provide structured end-to-end consultancy designed to simplify and accelerate your accreditation journey. First is documentation development and review. We design and review quality manuals, procedures and policies, validation and verification frameworks, all aligned strictly with ISO/IEC 17029 requirements. Second is system implementation. We assist in translating documentation into practical operations, establishing workflows and controls, integrating compliance into daily processes. Then third is internal audits and pre-assessment. Our experts conduct internal audits to identify gaps, pre-assessment evaluations, simulating accreditation state audits, detailed reports with corrective actions plan. Now professional training. We provide training programs focused on standard interpretation, auditor competency development, process execution and compliance awareness. Fifth is end-to-end advisory support. From initial gap analysis to final accreditation, coordination with accreditation bodies, application support, audit preparation, closure of non-conformities. Our approaches ensures that your organization is fully prepared at every stage. Our methodology. Our consultancy methodology is structured, means following a step-by-step framework. Standards driven, means fully aligned with ISO/IEC requirements. Customized, means tailored to your organization's scope and industry. Result oriented, means focused on achieving accreditation effectively. So we don't just help you comply, we help you build a robust operational framework. In conclusion, ISO/IEC 17029 2019 accreditation is a vital step for any validation and verification body aiming for credibility, consistency, and global recognition. With the right expertise and structured guidance, this journey becomes not only achievable but highly rewarding. URGS International Certification and Instruction Private Limited remains committed to delivering technical accuracy, professional excellence, measurable outcomes. If you are planning to pursue ISO/IEC 17029 accreditation, we are here to support you at every step. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for your time and we look forward to partnering with you in your accreditation journey. Thank you.